Is your Lenovo tablet refusing to read your SD card? It's a common issue where users encounter an unsupported SD card error. But don't worry, in this guide we'll explore how to fix an unsupported SD card on a Lenovo tablet and get your device back to optimal functionality. Step 1. Check the SD card compatibility. First, ensure that your SD card is compatible with your Lenovo tablet. Lenovo tablets support specific formats and capacity. Refer to your tablet's user manual or the manufacturer's website to verify the supported SD card specifications. If you're using a card of higher capacity or a non-supported format, your tablet may not recognize it. Try replacing it with a compatible one and see if it resolves the issue. Step 2. Test the SD card on another device, the card itself or the tablet. Before diving into more technical solutions, test your SD card on another device like a smartphone or a computer. This is to determine whether the issue lies with the card itself or the tablet. If the other device also fails to recognize the card, the SD card might be faulty. In such cases, consider formatting or replacing the SD. Step 3. Format the SD card. If you suspect the card itself is corrupted but not physically damaged, format it to resolve the issue. Insert the SD card into a computer and back up any important data, as formatting will erase all contents. Use the computer's formatting tool to select FAT32 or exFAT, depending on what your tablet supports, and format the card. Once formatted, reinsert the SD card into your Lenovo tablet to see if it works. Step 4. Update your Lenovo tablet. Sometimes the problem could be due to outdated software. Make sure your Lenovo tablet is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, navigate to System Updates, and check for any pending updates. Install any available updates, restart your tablet, and reinsert the SD card to see if the issue is resolved. Step 5. Clean the SD card and slot. Physical debris or corrosion can also cause connectivity issues. Inspect the SD card for any visible dirt or damage. Clean the gold contacts with a microfiber cloth or soft eraser. Similarly, check the SD card slot on your Lenovo tablet for dust particles and gently blow air to clear out any debris. Reinsert the card carefully and check if it is detected. Step 6. Seek professional assistance. If all else fails and you still face issues with your SD card, it may be time to seek professional help. Visit a certified Lenovo service center or contact their support for further assistance. If the problem is hardware related, their technicians will provide appropriate guidance and repair options. Fixing an unsupported SD card on a Lenovo tablet can be straightforward with the right troubleshooting steps. By checking compatibility, testing on other devices, formatting, updating the software, and ensuring cleanliness, you significantly improve your chances of resolving the problem. Remember, always back up your data before formatting and consult professionals when necessary to prevent data loss or device damage. Follow these guidelines and you'll likely have your SD card working on your Lenovo tablet again in no time.